Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to make public profile after deleting them, which means if you have recently deleted your public profile on Snapchat and now you want to create public profile and it doesn't show up, then how you can fix that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here and you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after that you have to check whether your public profile create option is showing or not. If it is not showing because you have recently deleted your public profile, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So if you have recently deleted your public profile on Snapchat, then it will take 24 hours to delete your public profile. So once you have deleted your public profile, you have to wait for 24 hours so that it can be deleted. But if after 24 hours the option still doesn't show up, which means after deleting your public profile you are unable to create a new one. So how you can create public profile? So what you have to do, you have to simply report this problem to Snapchat support team. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile. After that you have to click on settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down and you have to simply look for I need help. So here you have to click on I need help, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for public profile creation. So here you can simply search for public profile, and after that what you have to do, you have to search for result what is the public profile or how do I change my public profile name. So here you can see that there are many options available, so you have to click on how do I edit my public profile on Snapchat. So they will tell you the method, but if you have already deleted the public profile, so you have to click on cross, and after that you have to click on this article didn't answer my question, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to the home tab of Snapchat Sport, and here you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that you have to simply select that option that can simply direct to you a form which is as that. Here you can simply fill the form. Here you have to provide your username, your email, your mobile number. After that you have to provide here the description of the problem, that you have recently deleted public profile, now it is not showing to create a public profile. So after doing that, you can simply fill the captcha and you can simply click on submit, and after submission you will be reached by the Snapchat support team and your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.